welcome back to another follow along workout. This is going to be a leg hip dominant circuit. 3 exercises. Let's jump right into it. First up, a nice good hinge. We're going to be putting our arms right here, 90-degree angles, shoot them out, and as they come down and pass the hips, nice hinge here, and then the arms are going to swing up. Boom, we're gonna catch them here, stand up. Should feel pressure in the core. No lower back. Now, for the pressure, the type of pressure here is going to be somewhat more negative, where you're sucking in more, keeping it up top, but you still need some pressure here. 2 more. 1, 2. Excellent. Okay. Now, here, we're using the wall. You're going to have to get to a wall here. You're going to get staggered on your left leg. If my left leg's forward, my right arm is forward. You're going to move the arms like you're about to run. Step this foot onto the wall. You can gently press into the wall here, feeling this left glute. Maybe breathe to potentiate this area and then come back. Arms, step. Arms, step. When you're running, your arms do move first, which loads the ribs, arms, loads the rib cage, loads the leg. 2 more. Switch sides. Right foot forward. Arms. Arms, 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 ribs, leg. One more. Okay. Next, you're gonna grab some 5-pound dumbbells right here. And we're gonna practice first just swinging the arms. And then we're gonna use this as a ratchet to go into the hinge. So, arms are going. At a certain point, you're gonna go from the front to the back and you're gonna drop into a bit of a hinge here. And then you just stand up. 1, 2. If this puts it too much in the upper net, in the upper traps or anything, then maybe just don't use weights and try it without the weights. 1, 2, 3. If you are staying wide in the shoulders, wide enough with serratus and everything, then you will be feeling just fine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm doing 5 here on the way down. You can do 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. At the top, using my hamstrings and stomach to pull up the front of the pelvis so don't have too much of a tilt, anterior tilt. Let's do one more. 1, 2, 3, 4. So as I go into it, 1, don't just focus on the hands pulling you into it. Use your feet and the ground force connection to push your feet forward. I'm trying to push my feet, like if I'm on a rug and I want to scoot the rug up in front of me, every time I go down. So 1, 2, 3. That'll help. 1, 2, 3. Awesome. So play with those moves. Watch this video on repeat. Hopefully it was helpful. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you for your effort.